This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off iMessages on your iPhone. So if you want to stop sharing messages or something like that with a different Apple product, just go to settings right here and we are looking for the option called apps way on the bottom. So just go to apps right here and tap this and then look for messages. So we can see messages right here, just tap this, and then the option for iMessages will be right here. We can simply just turn this off, and then we won't be receiving messages from other Apple products. Now the thing that we can do is go to the top and just click on your name, and then under here we can just go to iCloud, go to save to iCloud right here, and just turn off messages in iCloud. So we can just turn this off, and then our messages should not be synced together anymore, and our iMessages should be turned off. So look at all two of those options, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.